subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the dan 'cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one 'cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one 'cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you call yourself a boss 'cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster 'cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life 'cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life 'cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody.
Yeah. Come here.
Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're
You know, say, at night time, me fi in my house, I pray for you. I pray. Look here, I don't like when you don't talk to you about it already, you know. You know, so when I come in the house, I pray. Me, I'll get in a spirit.
What
And
I
as me
say?
don't get in a spirit, so me get a call. So you nearly get shot. And every time I pray, them I go work, you know.
No, but sometimes I don't know. That chop up on the street, you know. You have to go do it, you understand?
You know, I feel
Yeah,
it.
listen. This one time chop money, you can spend it and buy what you want to buy. You see that? I carry the Walmart coming up. Mommy, you know more things we have in process. Mommy, me have a housing scheme of building on me. I tell you, you know. Behind the back, you not even know, you know. Me know you love me. I love you too. You understand me, but you have to understand. Fast and money. Make it quick.
No, me not like it. I do not like it. You know me not like it. So stop telling me about fast money. When you plan for stop, you look like you don't plan for stop none till until your life gone. You not plan for stop.
When me soon stop, man. But this everything is for a little matter of time. You understand me? I say?
No.
You know,
Because we
understand?
talked to you about a couple months ago. I said, Mommy, me go stop now. And then all of a sudden you start back again. Me not understand what's going on.
Mommy, now we're going to, you know.
Oh.
We now we're going to gathering in the moment. Are you on the gathering? You know, we're not buy go now. We're going to buy no gathering or nothing, you know.
So what me ask you a question? You feel like God approve of what you are do?
Well, as what me I say, our 4 parents' money, so we are trying to get back our 4 parents' money. You understand? Back in our slavery days.
You see, you provoke me, you know, you provoke me. I'm gonna tell you, if you stop more, you stop.
Mommy.
Because people, oh, you gonna look now, me as your mother, where I go to church every day, if you pray for you, and you still do it.
Mommy, me tell you, see game, that's a serious thing. So much care this. I 1 million upon this and 6 million upon this, you know.
So it's tough.
You understand? Say anything you want to buy, you can go buy. If you want to buy something.
No, me don't want nothing. Me just don't want nothing. Me just want you to stop.
Me can't stop because I already in the game for a long time. Me doing it, me hide and you see say the game. But you know and money and make a thing mommy. You don't know things that if you just want breathe easy and just want calm and just know say a young young life.
More money, more enemies. Stop. We need you to stop, okay? You ready for something to eat?
Mommy, right now, we are telling me say right now, we make a man and change from the food, mommy, I tell you the truth.
What do you mean by your mind change from the food?
Because mommy, remember saying and all the time I have it, you know. Most of the time I remember saying me come up with money and day, you know. So all these millions, where do you get it from? I dial, scam white people crime.
You think I don't know that me need you to stop now?
Mommy, you never know.
You
You
think
feel
me
like
no know?
you feel like I'm uncle send me money for a fire.
I lie. A long time me ain't hear it say you do it. My mama always ask you, tell me say I tell you, are you tell me say your uncle send you money, you know? You forgot say you tell me that?
Mom, just want you to pray for me on the right path. In a real life.
Me not stop pray for you, but you need to stop the way I do.
Mom, I go stop man, but me not stop until me reach my goal. One supermarket, one cash patch, one gas station. You understand? So I want a bag of things, mom. So me see that people on the way are coming on. You understand?
What do you mean by it?
You don't know?
No? Hit me.
Yes, sir. So introduce you to my baby mother. Yes, soon.
When are you baby mother?
Mommy, I'm not a whore. I just want, you know, yeah.
Once your girlfriend, we are not there from school days, so you're going to tell me say
You
you're
know,
not a whore.
you know, say, she lose out for me. I tell her the truth. Yeah, man, she lose out for me. She feel like she got a nice girl, but she don't want a nice girl. She a bad bitch. You see me? I'm a friend, I catch you that run a bush. I have to make two of them dig off. I told myself over there, it's a bow. And they run off. They're
Fix
not
up your
there.
life. Fix up your life. Because you see you have baby come, fix up your life.
No, man. That's why I try to set the people who are coming up. I've set the people too. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's want to cook steaks.
Me alright.
Chicken, it's want to consume chicken. And pork is want to consume and everything there.
Me not eat pork, I don't eat steak, and you know that.
Okay, stop one saying about his steak. Now when daddy was there, he didn't cook steak and eat steak. Probably how daddy cook it. And you never know say a steak and you know daddy can cook. I'm loving daddy cook.
Obviously, your father is not around for many years now, so I don't eat steak again.
No. But I tell him, I miss daddy and I'm not my daddy. I love daddy, you know. So I tell him. If daddy there, I'm proud of me. I'm daddy. He would not, if it's my daddy, he love me, you know. He always tell me, say, son, make sure I say, yo, your bird.
Listen to me and listen to me carefully. You see a man will love his son, him no walk on the same family. You think about that?
Share some food for me. Kind of feel good tipsy, you know. Please. You know, I love you, you know.
Check out my boat then, my boy. There I know my picnic. Anytime you're ready, me ready right now.
But what should I say now?
What you say?
Yeah, but one client with some food. 500,000. You see me? I have some money for my car still, but I don't want to really touch that. You see me? Yeah, but the 500,000. What you want to do?
Right now, we want some food for the boat because right now we are going over Haiti and over the local small island there. Yeah man, we have to go over there. Yeah man, but right now, what you know? We have the link for the coke and the ganja, you know, me pick. Yeah man.
So you know,
Anything, what you say?
So now my time I have to pray the weather.
Oh.
When you have money, you know, now we on a plan to send the piece of Tuesday, which is, you know, one bit to make 9 hills. You sell weed, you see the weed them we have to buy, you have to get them and wrap them up. There's some brown tape and weed
So
them.
and I push we are get them.
No bro.
Like
You
it's
see
regular.
listen now, see the push, you don't want to push over them place. And swap, we are swap. That means if you carry donkey, we get strap. If you carry weed, get money. So which one you go for?
The money no one steal, no my boy. And money no one steal.
Differently.
But then there, anytime
You need some gas too.
Yes, yeah man, we are have to need that. We are going to be big jug. Want to have big jug them. Tall jug them there. Want to
No, I thought 8 gallon enough. I thought 25 gallon.
Then I hit me and try to the big jug them. Cause
So,
we are touching boat and we not come back yourself, you know, not this week, not next week, you know, my boy.
understand. So,
Yes man.
so me I say no father, yeah? Who ever tell about this mission? Because I can't set up things.
Who me fear tell about mission, man? I first man me can't tell. Who me fear whole argument with?
Because I don't know if you know sit on one
Who
side.
me fear
I
whole
pray, say me I make a million, I me I make this, I me I make that.
You know
Because I
something
say
like
chopper.
that to you.
So watch out.
Because you will go set to me.
Watch out. You see the car there?
Let me see.
I 1 million depend on friend.
So, what we are going to do with it?
Me don't want really John the money off $5. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Because me have a youth on the way. You understand? But what me I say now, I wait for the client to send the money come. When you send the money come, buy up some things, or put on the boat, buy up some food, some gas, and shoe boat. See me, come know, ready for road, my brother. A long time when I struggle is no bad man.
Long time, boy. Money have to make money.
Money have to
What
make,
you know?
brother.
See, Coast Guard boy, them me no want to run in.
But you know something like when you move from other day?
Oh,
If you stop and follow up a loose girl and brother, girls are jugs. You understand? Take your money and build a house. Them girl just want to wait till you have money and then come out them friend.
Yeah.
Oh, me love you, me this and that, I'm a rater, bro. Me know you stay in the street, bro. Me
understand
run
me,
them
I
girls,
say,
no, bro.
Understand me, I
A
say,
girl
but
run
them
we
too
down.
tempted, my youth.
Me know-
Sometimes you can't manage.
You know them tempted bad man, but
My
that
youth.
shirt is my sweet chuck. If look for you, real one them brother, cause real girl out there, brother. There are some girls who love you for who you are. Some girls love you for things where you have. When it pop down and when it gone and gone left you.
True that.
You ain't experience with that. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. So a good vibration, a good vibes, bro.
You know? I listen to what you are saying.
Yeah,
boy.
when you listen.
But watch you know. You go take time.
Yeah, man.
You go take time. You can't change up so fast, you know. You
No,
go take time.
things take time and
Yes,
process.
Yes.
You understand?
Because you tell me flow loose
Yeah.
girl. Watch you know man to want a loose girl me have right now. You have to take time. You have to take time. You have to take time.
I can't bother him that I'm changing my life, you know, brother.
Right now hit me want to do, but
That's why my father gone now, because I bag a loose girl and man thing, and my mother. You don't know why my mother in a bag of thing and run off on me. Bro, man, tell you, a bag of thing, bro. You see me?
You understand what you
So watch you know, this
Mhm.
thing. I have to touch the road.
Engine active, you know.
And
We have two.
two we
We
can
have
go.
two engine, you know.
No.
Right now, put on right now for that mission there, you know. Two are big, heavy duty engine them, you know.
I feel like if I slip, brother, what you say?
Two are big. Them the engine we right now. I want 150 engine this right now in a machine.
As a fiberglass boat that my friend, well fast now, light, you
I
know.
try to tell you about I want me have a bombard. 250 engine them. At two of them me have one pan left, one pan right. I want 5 bills. A 5 bills.
But-
250, you know,
Nah,
say 5
yo,
bills that
but-
are whole heap of speed in a
General,
hit.
me not cut you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You can't go say not care two girl.
A mission we are going for. You
Oh,
just tell me if you never find loose.
But you
girl,
can't two girl.
go do what?
What you mean?
Pan with mission.
What you mean?
I said we are going to sell them.
Why?
I said we are going to sell them.
Let them have what's
Man, you don't like your style. You just tell me a thing and then you have to curb me brain
We're
again.
not proper brain, man. I know I got to carry 4 girls and you have car, but you have to carry 2 on the boat they go.
So like a party, we are party.
No, we're not a party. Watch you know. I got link, you say no thing.
Alright, that's enough. Mother good thing.
Yeah, man.
That's enough. Check me, check out the boat. That's enough. Just be right.
Yeah, man.
Anytime,
Anytime, piece of food. Link you. Yeah, boy, I'm brain.
Alright.
You can come now, door open. Come. You said come. Walk one. You're a long time in a see. Come give me a hug. We are stay with so long. Come sit down, man.
Remember, say, this is not my home anymore, so just come when you can.
Hello, this is always your home. Someone you have to come often because they see that the idiots on their minds. Even no good woman when him see them now.
Apart of life, they always call on you until and sleep.
Girl, that's someone you come on more often that you can see you and say you're a good woman because all of them make a better foot the way you have. You don't know say to them come here because in clean say my baby mother catch us. I have to come eat.
Sorry for hear that still, but when I think my brother's going to go back this again because attitude and style them when you have no. But you know, so me always go look for you so forth and check for you.
Girl, me I pray. Me never stop praying for you. So
Oh,
guess
thank
what?
you.
Una I go back together one day. Cause you're the best woman you ever have. But no say one day una will go back together.
Anything you say, because mother prayer is the best prayer.
Right. So I never stop praying
So,
for you. Just me say you're the girl, you know.
son, come look for you and talk about your son, like how your life a treat you and so forth.
Why me alright, you know, me good me tell you something good. I just, you know, my son, he's an idiot by himself.
You know that, so.
Yeah, so me have to pray all the night time. Most of the nights me can't sleep because it's like every time I shut my eye, me have vision something one night, you know. Today me tell him when I tell him come for food today. Me I tell him say me in a room I pray till me get in a spirit. And then me get a phone call Sell come out, he get shot down the road.
Jesus.
And me I tell him to stop doing my dream. Nah, stop me. You see, little kill this girl when my pick, when my take up. Them no want him, you know. I just like money where I make them after. And I try to show him that and tell him, say, no, yeah, they tell me, say, you go stop for my certain time. So, what you do know, he go tell me about supermarket, big car, pan off. I be sleep him and tell me, that's the one thing about, that's the one you go back to him, that they can talk to
Me,
you.
no, sir. Brett's never listen to me when me am there. When me am left, no more listen to me like, no. But I don't understand that. Just continue to pray for him. God will find a way of it, clearing your heart and work for him. Probably gonna work for him, you could buy the prayer. You might never know. Things can turn out in a blink of an eye.
And so I never stop. I'm tell him, stop. Because you know it not look good. You know it not look good. You know I go to church, don't you? And the whole talking and all of that. Stop now. Because more money now, more problem, more enemy. But him not realize that.
Well, remember, sir, Brett don't really understand certain stuff, you know. Brett don't know, say, make money, spend money, party, drink, or just them listen to the Brett's mind. Other things like house, them listen to the business, them listen to the Brett's mind.
Yes.
And enjoyment around the mind.
Well, I know him tell me today, say him have care upon the wharf, and him have how much story house a build, because him have supermarket. Him say a lot of things him a do what me don't know about. That's why him tell me today. And you know what happened today too when me and him a talk? Him go bring up him father. And I go tell me same love him father because him father good man. How can you him classify him father as a good man when him father run left away? Him say love him father and him father is a good man. I don't know why.
So why not be so ungrateful?
Probably change father or him father the type of man with an encourage lifestyle. So that is why he must say love him father.
No, me understand.
Mm-hmm.
I see, but let me see to you, yeah. I can also do that. That's something different. Who is she?
Oh,
She.
wait.
What is?
I'm astonished. You can't talk. Where are you?
Hi. Hello. Don't address her. This is your house. This belongs to you.
Mommy, listen what I'm saying now, yeah? I know this is not my house, but where shall we are?
She entitled to come in anytime she want. I'm a daughter-in-law.
Your daughter-in-law?
Yes.
Mommy, you know how long me left for? What shall we are?
You don't say no sense. All along, I know you don't say.
Mommy, it's my princess, yeah. It's my baby, yeah. Come on, I love her. Where I tell me, say? Eh? What shall we are? She not talk for the back of me, you know?
You're blind. That's all I know.
Where do you, sir? Your mother will reason. What kind of reason I will go
Let me ask you a
me?
question. You know, but you don't address her because she don't come to you as always said before. Because I realize you know be a rubbish she walk and pick up now.
So we are say? You want rubbish?
Me a car rubbish.
Not that nonsense.
What is me a car rubbish? Man tete me a car rubbish. What are your mama? I don't respond to where you be. But so me a car rubbish.
Hey, calm down. Hey, listen, I'm manners. Listen, you can't talk, mama. Yeah, don't listen, don't cuss at my mom. Don't back out to my mom. I love my mom to my heart. Listen. Listen. Stop. Hey, listen.
Excuse me. Now make a mother feel like
Hey.
Hello.
Hey, listen, stop on that. Hey, listen what I'm saying. I'm calling you. You wanna go outside?
No, I'm not go outside. I'm going
No, this is like
I'm going
What's up with me?
she wanna touch me now. Come on.
Come on, mommy. Listen what I say now.
Hey, listen.
Come here. You're gonna sit over here.
Listen.
Sit.
I wish the man wanna push me.
Let you go.
Hey, gonna be over here walking up.
Let you go.
Because it's like
Listen, me and left long time. Why you not here, so? Eh?
Oi,
Listen,
I'm
no,
here over
fine.
here walk.
No,
Come on.
Mommy, are you crossing me? Mommy, are you crossing me?
Listen,
Mommy.
you cannot manage me.
Listen.
You cannot manage
Give
me.
me a second, come on. Give me a second. Please.
Come on to my house.
Me?
Come on.
I'm my daddy house. See, I don't know what you're
Come on to my house.
Come on, I'm my daddy.
Come on to my house.
Listen, I'm my daddy. I send money for America. Come to your life. I watch responsible. I want to run them daddy house.
Sick in your head. Your daddy run like the family how much years old.
But that no
Tell
sense.
your woman if not do
You
nothing
can't
for
tell me that.
you. See
I'm my daddy.
I got this one, you.
Me
I
no
got this
business.
one,
You can't
got
jack
this.
it. And you're not my mother.
We not care.
You understand? Remember say, I want me a 2 minutes you know.
I'm glad me said to mother, cause guess what?
Here.
Your father, we're running left for you 2 years, you tell me say for me, I want me a 2 year, know me? Eh?
Listen what I'm saying now. Mommy. Listen, no. We
Come
can't
on,
spend a real.
family drama, we can't go out. How will you do? How will you do? How will you do? I don't want to go. Where will I read?
No, now fight. What if you understand,
What
mommy?
I do?
You can't come and come here.
How will
Again.
I do? Push out, push move, man. Leave out of
We
it.
can
How will I
talk.
do?
We can
I
talk.
said leave out.
Mommy, what should I do ya?
Yeah, that's not your business.
Mommy, we can reason out. What we should do?
That's not your business.
Listen up, me go come
Come
out.
out.
Me have money, we can rent a room. Come on.
Excuse your word. It's like it's
I
not.
don't like it. I'm much of a life. What you like you? What you
Yes, Mr. Guaya.
Let's go from where? Because come you this time. Oh yeah, sir. Oh, don't read it on that one. Eh?
I'm foreign now. You know look good. I'm not even calm down. Come like you know have my brain, babe. Me not like that. That girl is that girl.
Yo.
Like, listen, let me tell you
You know
something.
why problem?
Yeah.
You know what is the problem?
Yes.
Because I'm an educated girl decided with her. I don't
Now,
scare
listen
decided
what I'm
with
saying
her.
now. That
You know
the
what
girl-
is the problem?
What's the problem?
You see the girl what she bring in your yard where
Yes.
you used to deal with?
Yes.
She want you and the girl to connect back and that can't work. Cause once me in the picture that can't go work. So you must know.
Come
Me
to the
not
phone.
tell a man to choose me, you know. And the man not have to choose me, you know.
Me can't
And me not
speak.
beg man to choose me, you know.
Me can't
Listen to
speak.
what me I say before you speak.
Yes, me understand.
Speak while you spoken. Listen to what me I say.
Okay, yes.
No man not have to choose me. Cause me never beg a man to want me. You understand?
Yes.
But all me know say, the mother like the girl and she not like me. Whether she just know me or not, she don't like me.
You hear me say?
I'm not taking my
Listen,
life.
I say no. You know amount of money me spend for the girl. I buy a girl all car, you know. And then this me, you know. I do a BBL for the girl already, you know. And look.
Which BBL look on her? Cause obviously the body flat. Which BBL do? I'm company here, man.
Mama,
Eh?
mama,
Which
listen now.
BBL do? That
Mama,
flat
me no know
out.
where it come from, you know, where she up here from. We say we are all have vibes and we say we are going and go and chill and all have mess. Mama just fuck up. Mama just mash up my mess, man. You don't let them sit here, you know. It's not the time now for a mirror, man.
Listen to me. Give me
It's
mirror.
not mirror. It's
Give
not
me
looking in
mirror.
the
5,000
man.
mirror. Give me hit. Give me
You
hit.
know I'm full of money, man.
Give me hit.
Mama, you go on, so.
Listen now. Listen now. Listen. I
I know
don't.
that, you know.
Me love
You
you
know,
too.
make sake I want to have man get in
But you
between
have
me
to
and
go
you.
talk to your mother. Your mother is the one who responsible for what happened since night. You have to
But
go
no,
talk
what
to
me,
her.
you ever see
Yeah.
me yet in person?
Eh? I first me I see her.
So what
And
she-
oh me hear she a gone but oh. My daughter, me this and me that.
But-
Listen to me now. Me not feel like your mother not feel like me.
Mama,
You know.
listen. You see it?
Oh, you come here, mother?
You make me
Eh?
astonished.
And mommy
You
I
see,
come.
me not like how you adjust me, man. Just calm, see
And
me,
mommy
man.
I call me.
Listen, me I say,
Eh?
you have to just love my mother.
Give me mirror.
Cause you see, sometimes, that's why first she can I say, but, listen, you know, I chose to know the girl from a long time, from went back. Probably she never know me and she left and thing, but she know now.
Yeah, your mama feel rubbish.
I
Give
mean,
me Fred your mama.
can't see,
Give me
man.
Fred down. Eh? Look for me good. Give me Fred
You
down.
know, say Satan,
Eh?
you pepper brain
Yeah, your
now.
mama feel rubbish.
Can't
Oh.
see, man.
So what you say now? What you say they go on?
Listen what me say
You
now.
know that you me love make it go on so.
I
Actually, you know me love make it go on say
My
now.
heart a pump. Feel it. No make it tap pump. Make it pump. Look. You know me know I'm bad.
It's a pump.
Yes,
It's a pump.
pump, man.
I see a pump how you love somebody. Eh? I see a pump hard.
You know me love you.
How the
now.
words of it touch of your heart pump. Tell me now.
Yeah.
Huh?
Me tell you. Just right now. One but peace. Like no one go in between me and you. Me tell you.
You
True.
have a peace of life.
You see, my mother. Not even know her mother, you know. Because when I grew up, my mother tell me say, he bring her in my life when me a two. Some never jacket mother and real full mother, me I tell her the truth.
You show your jacket. Because they treat her like a jacket.
Look
You
how
know?
him black and me
So
brown.
listen.
So me have to-
They treat her
fix
like a
nonsense.
jacket. So me feel one way for you a jacket and she a jacket.
But I'm,
Because you have obviously you a jacket.
how comes?
Because your mother in between everything what
So that me I try show you that tell me say I want
your mother just said this. And me know you can't say nah.
Listen, cut.
Me know you up to what she has said.
No,
But she
me
has see
can't
me.
up to what she has
But
talk about.
you see me. You know your heart
Big,
belongs
look
to
how
the
you nice. Look how you flat tattoo. Look how you chrome skin.
I might take this out. Listen. I might take this out. You want to lick and make you absent. Listen to me. If I play, tell me for now.
Big, me
Tell
not
me
play with
Friday.
a man like Bonnie and Clyde.
Bonnie and
Me
Clyde.
not play with your heart.
A Bonnie and Clyde and Bonnie and Clyde. A puppy show you.
I don't know which one of them, but that's how it go.
I think you can lyrics.
They say anything Jamaican say, if no you go say, you almost go so.
You almost go so.
Yes.
You come like a ackee and starfish. Me Clyde in you.
Come on, man. Boy, brain is still there, sir. You're on the boat and mad, you're on the boat, sir. You're going to see money me look on me. I found the idea, sir, man.
Yo, what
have
1, 2, 3 boat out there, man.
money me look on the bad. You know you're pre-money, but a big job, I just go on a while ago, man. You know, Mr. One thing just go on a while ago there. Yo, get up. Let me tell you what go on.
How I really go on now?
Yo, you don't know what I say? Step in the house a while ago with Pinky. I want me look, America, me say. Because I know say America did there, you know. You understand? But she did change me different man. You understand? Because you need to go and go near about it. Alright, let's
Yeah,
look out for that, brother. So you know, say a big fight. All Pinky.
Big fight.
Yeah, this is my mother. Me have to put on my hand over she must have
You know,
bite
say
on
in
my
a
finger
real
them.
life though,
Yeah.
as me see it, I got a problem.
How comes my how for be problem?
I got a problem, you know.
Me.
Yeah, you.
Me.
Yeah, you. But you know why? Me say I got a problem. How much time from there calling?
Brother, one time me on the grind, brother.
How much time from there calling?
Brother, one time calling me on the grind.
No. I second time this. And what you know? I similar argument to come to me with, you know.
Brother.
What you know? Yeah, a problem. Just I'm married to you with boy idea.
Me. You know what I have to say?
Mm.
You look Marika.
Yeah, either.
Yo, you look Marika.
No, but I
That me have to.
No,
You're American in business.
Oh, me America in business.
You're American in business.
But I the foolishness, man. Oh, me America in business, man. Oh, me America in business.
I hope
You hear? No.
Tell that in a boy.
You don't realize you here say me America in business.
Mr. Tell us
Me your
something.
friend. How long me your friend for?
Come to know you pick up America. You know
No,
America
I don't pick
wet.
up America, man. But me know say a good girl used to take care of you too. You go on like me and tell like boy.
But you don't know about life. But you don't know about life. One can't clap, you know. And my hand and your hand clap together, so.
Remember, you see, a while ago me tell you say, you know, you're fight with your American not doing no deal. So what you say to me? What you say? How you move a while ago?
My youth.
So that means a year far, brother.
Yeah,
No
my
bother
fault.
the foolishness.
Yeah,
Yo,
remember say, yeah? Me make she do her BBL.
yeah.
Look about thing me buy her for her. Buy a car. What she do? This is my best friend. Me not move
Can I
on.
ask you something? This is your best friend. I feel your best friend and your best friend.
Brother, I'm not the best friend. Girl, I'm best friend.
But are you a friend?
Nigga.
Are you a friend?
In this before.
Alright.
I make she go on her
A
way.
full fault.
I know my fault.
Are you a fault?
Because she loves sweets.
No! Are you a fault because why? Are you carrying round man who have more things than
Brother,
you?
that is not the fault.
No.
That's when I have a good girl.
Yeah.
They don't know man who have sweets. They don't know man who hold out. Eat little, eat long. So that means if I eat cocoa, if I eat cocoa too and drink water.
You idiot.
Brother, I want to
You
brother.
want lobster and bomb.
Brother, I want to that's why I have a country go for the next girl. Pinky, I'm woman. Pinky come from our country. Pinky can wash, cook and clean.
That's why I move, so you know. You're aggressive, you know.
Brother, the girl that eat that girl, man, you.
Who
What you talk about? Eh?
America.
What you mean? You know the style. A backshot, don't clean her, brother. She love her mother clean her, brother. You hear me tell you?
No, they-
You know them a flip up in the house a while ago, brother. She not even know a bad man. You hear? Sort of number, bad bro. I go show about. You hear that? Sort of
I
number.
go and watch my boat. The
The money chop. The money land.
The
The
land.
money land. The money land.
Good.
The money land.
Good.
Yes, the land. So, let me know what you want so we can buy
Let me
them
not tell you
and come
already.
in.
Let me not
Me
tell
not-
you
brother,
already.
remember say me there and everything, now, brother. So you know me have a lot of fun
Alright.
doing, brother.
Me we calling you then. Me have
Yeah.
write a list of certain things
Yes.
and calling you.
Alright, that's
Cause
the
me a-
party.
Watch out now.
Yeah.
Me a go grow in a big yard. Cause me know look tutorial this
Ah,
one. That's how come me hear
right.
a business, you know.
So them people can be in my life. I suck up, me not tell you, but I suck up me hear your business.
They have a spy run a spy for me.
You can talk to a big yard, me go listen to your business.
Let me know
No,
who
me
I
not make
share.
you know, but you have to.
Me a friend.
You have to have rum. You have to have
Rum?
rum,
Yeah, rum belly.
You
You love rum? Eh? Rum a you love her? Eh? Rum kill a mama and your father and kill a sister. You go on.
You ever hear say, which fisherman? You know, you say,
drink rum.
go where you go?
You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker.
Uncle Bobby.
Papa,
But what you know, you're not
when you call me my mama, I tell you say now, what I see me want to go, you know.
Yeah, what I see you
Come here, one little link for start one little thing, but you know me if you organize, come here, I have to rent some boat and send things. Only way me can make some money, mama. You know, so me done, me can say ABC and say,
No, that's
you know?
already.
Mm-hmm.
And you look at paper and some and call and they look at something, you know.
Mm.
But more I can say, okay, you know, say you're all real somebody to me and you're all the person I can come to and tell me problems.
Mm-hmm.
But me not.
No, sir, you look troubled. Talk to me. My sister pick me.
I don't know if it start off with me, but uncle, nobody start judge me and say nothing bad already.
You kill somebody?
Oh God, man, why make you gone so far?
Because I know it's a bad in your blood, you never know. You're bad breeding on me, hey, it means. What go on, talk to
Anyway,
me.
we
Sorry
could
for
have
joking.
breads today.
Lord have
I'm not breads, me
Listen before you start the conversation. Me tell you already said down there so. I'll be a dirty nigga down there. You a high quality person. You know see say only good somebody down there I am mama. I make hey you know see me I go down there. I talk to a lady because she need when she see around there, she feel herself to go on. Because me don't know where you want around there.
No, me just did a pass through and me say me go look for her. When me did there, me and her talk you know she talk about breads and me tell her say me don't want to talk about breads. Because breads, me and breads now go back this up. Be time me and the lady for done the conversation, breads and one dirty girl walking. One piece of argument and the girl take me and I go up and chair tap you know.
What? What do you mean by that?
I joke me and make one.
Pamphile.
Depending on man chair tap call me dirty girl.
What do you mean by that?
What mean by that?
Yo, I'm confused.
Okay, girl, disrespect me, you know. I feel like weird, you know. Me all have to get mad in front of a woman when me never do before.
But why she allow that situation? As she if control one to Jessica man, one to Jessica knows say Jessica know too much for you go answer right now for you disrespect in certain way. I'm tell you don't go down at the yard. Please stay from down at the yard. Marika, can you promise?
Say woman a good woman.
Yes, me know
she take care of me and then
yes, she take care of you for reasons. Yes.
Me have to respect her.
She take care of you for reasons. Way beyond your control. Just leave down, you know. You can promise me this, just leave her now. You can promise me that?
Alright, uncle,
No,
I promise
why-
you. I promise you, uncle. I promise you. I'm not about to
You know what sacrifice me make man just to make sure you're good.
No.
So what you go around and if you know you know and just know no man.
Sorry,
And stop
uncle.
making the
Me I
case
tell
where
us
that you
that.
are complete. I know so when you forward in the attack, say what? When you call me on the phone, me I say to myself, say I bet you have something. But alright, at the end of the day, listen man. You promise to sit down down there?
I promise you, uncle.
Alright. Wait, because I say me I watch certain things. Come here. Try to organize. I'm supposed to meet up on you, but you know not forward out now. So we have tomorrow business. You understand?
Uncle, beg your money now. Alright, give me one of this and I'm gonna feed sweetie. You know, you yourself to top eat sweetie. Yes, I'm safe no more. I'm safe there no more. So give me money now, uncle.
You see that alright? You see you know what you want? You don't know what you want in life. You know money for me. Check me up so.
Alright.
Later.
Who that man? Who is that? Come.
The door locked. Uncle come.
How would that? Yeah, I'm sure this. Where you come from? Which one you cry out?
Still low.
Same way.
You can't control the tone anymore.
Where are you coming from? Why are they here now? After all these years?
You know, good man. Turn up again, Miss Eva.
Excuse.
Turn up.
Why are you here?
Alright, let's get to business. Alright. Marika came to me complaining. We done talk about Marika already. And I said, she have to come here, come see you, come visit you in a long way because we know the situation kind of messy in a certain way, but I ask you a question. Bryce knows I'm your father.
Hold on. Who is you?
Bryce knows I'm
Tell
your
me who
father.
can come here. No, him not know. And where you even not do a foot in the house here. Me not tell you never come here. Yeah, make it look like we did in our relationship.
No.
And that's how we make Brad. We did our relationship?
Obviously,
You did Lulu.
you felt comfortable with me because I was the only person you could talk to. Remember? Hey, you remember? I remember.
Remember
Obviously,
everything.
yeah, you always love a smiley face. Obviously, I swear. You remember everything?
You was a friend was never good for me. Cause you know if you was my friend any at all, you would have tell me no. Your sister me never know my right man, you know. And you know the problem me did I have.
You pull my belt.
I mean,
You pull my belt and said one time now hurt. You remember you tell me that?
me never in my right mind.
Yeah, but so in the right mind now? Listen to me. This is way beyond everything.
No, say my right mind, because me not do like what me used to do back then.
I used to me let it go. I used to say don't come out. I used to say I know me.
Yeah, me young and stupid. So when you come here for no, when you overachieve when you come here no.
Because not even Marika knows that me and her are a real uncle because I am really just what happened? Me know what happened to she. She don't have nobody really. I had no one and my mother adopted me in her family. So I am not really her uncle, but she not even know that much. You understand what I say? And everything is complicated, but me I find out if you tell her nothing, because if she come talk to you and you so kind-hearted, me I wonder if you tell her anything about anything.
I did not tell her nothing. I just like, you know, someone naturally like the girl as my dad said long. So when if you tell her, say?
Just want to find out that. Because that clear my brain right now, because me just out of sea and wait for certain things that might happen. I mean, I wonder if that cause a bad luck. If it not happen. I mean, I say, I have to come talk to you. You understand? Me vow say, I want to come in like that and the same thing for you. But you know,
say, today, my son disrespect me.
Feel me, son.
About tell me, say, him father, they are friend up here bills to the house here.
Yeah, because you really know the story. Good thing saying father, his so-called father is somebody where, you know, conscious and can still maintain certain things. When last thing called?
Him don't conscious and don't can maintain something. That is why I don't tell Bert anything. But I want to tell him, but because him called me about a year ago, and him say him soon come here, and him need to tell Brad that he is not his dad. And
what you need to do now is to make sure you make sure that he not come here.
how?
Because how? Tell him some story, give him some situation, make him feel like Jamaican not safe no more. Make him feel like the same boy when he stop still want to kill him.
Him say him is a grown man now and nobody now control his mind and tell him anything. And him I go come to Jamaica because he want to fix up things.
What if you fix things? What if you fix one broken glass? That makes sense?
What's broken?
Everything broken!
Nothing broken because I still love my man. So what you talking about? Yes, I still love my man.
What if I tell him this story when he go break in half? You still love him?
Remember I know it already.
Yeah, but me I say, when you go tell him now, fi shut him brain said me even come here. Eh?
That's why you come here.
No, that's not why I'm coming, but I'm just saying you have to understand. Make him not come here and make things more complicated.
No, I can't. Look here.
Why you do this? Why you do
I
this?
cannot keep this anymore.
But why you doing this?
Doing what?
What's the gain to you? What you gain from all of this? You smile like it's a joke thing. You have to
Okay,
smile.
my relationship. I'm
Which
a
relationship?
son. I can understand, say. The mistake when me and you make.
You cannot tell, Brad. When you talk about your son, I'm not mistake.
Why we can't tell him? He's big enough now.
Because you see him reckless? You see him stay? I was reckless. Me used to stay so. That's why me understand the situation. That's why I not really approach him and say, yo, this and that. And you go check him now, go make things worse and more complicated. That's why I say just left everything buried under the carpet.
How long we can't do this, fam? We
Forever.
can't do it no more.
What mean you can't do no more?
Come and say we can't do it anymore.
So alright, so when you do this now and everybody know everything, what? Because your conscience free?
My conscience are free. You see the main person if you know, him already know. That is why him don't want to keep it anymore and he wants to come and take. But so for him come and tell my son, me tell him.
Tell who?
What do you mean tell who?
Tell
Brother. You act like him is a baby. I'm reckless, but him is not a baby.
And you feel like you can control him?
Oh, I don't want to control
Hey
him.
man,
Me want you to control him. Because you
the
have...
man, well a man may I call him, which is the young man,
Mm-hmm.
bring him so-called woman come in your house here. And he and she fight.
Me and I never fight.
He and she fight.
That's what I'm telling you?
That's
That's what she tell you? Me, she want to fight me. Brother want to fight me for you, man. Oh, I never tell me say him not fight me. But I'm father place. And if I take off and bring him more come here.
He want to fight you. And he meant title. And he father place. And you ever tell him this now, gonna make you better. Wise up no man. Wake up now, you sleep. Wake up.
I'm not sleep. I'm tired of this.
Just sleep,
It's an army. You know something go to church, don't it? Do you know that I'm a Christian and I go to church?
Your pastor knows say you won't give your man born. Your pastor knows say you won't fornicate if I solve the case. And what as soon as your pastor make him know put it on back bench. And that's if you go up on back bench. When you go up on back bench, you will understand and feel. You can't ever hear preaching from back bench.
For a mistake I make when me young and drunk. For a mistake I make when me young and drunk.
I don't think you understand, sir. This mistake can cause a whole heap of drama. What? Not necessary, Jessica. Please, for your safety and mine, left it under the rug.
For now.
What do you mean for now?
Me gonna leave it for now, but me not gonna leave it for her. Me not make my eye close and me not tell my son who him real father is. Me not doing
I
this.
think he gonna make things better. He's gonna make things better, right? Look
Yeah.
on you. You just always not make the right decision.
Yeah, I can give me a baby.
That is the problem. He's not a baby. That is you should tell him from a baby. Know him young and reckless. Do the right thing, Jessica. May I leave your place. I'm gonna come back to your place. And don't make Marika come back to your place.
You can't tell me that. Marika, if I can be my daughter, I should welcome here anytime.
Let me out.
You can go,
No,
if the
let
door
me
is
out.
open.
Let me out.
You know what? I that with you, know that.
You know, no respect and manners to people. Have respect to your son before me leave.
Oh,
Before
who
me
made this look my son now?
Before
You keep on saying that to have respect. Who made this look my son? I'm
I
telling the truth.
thinking that the truth will set him free. The truth will set the things on fire.
Oh.
Oh?
Hmm.
I must say, one who can hear, I go.
I don't feel all these years already. I'm done pay for whatever I do wrong.
Stop.
My man gone left me. You not take no part in your picnic life. Just go on,
Me
please.
can't pick my partner in the life. Me let myself out.
But you could have still give me something under the rug to
Yo.
take care of him.
You get something under the rug.
Please.
You get something under the rug and you get a big.
You don't say you're a joker.
One rap
Every
over
time
the
you say in
rug.
front of me, you just come like a big joke. I have to laugh. Please leave.
Remember that kiss there? Remember that kiss there?
Hey, my know, so
I
you're
feel like-
sick in your head.
I feel like I want big troops you want to calm
Go on,
down.
excuse.
Eh?
Excuse.
Excuse.
Oh. Come on, feel like you're sick. this mistake I'm make. When me how much me have this opinion? When me at 20, me have this little boy and this a mistake I make how much years ago still at me. You could have talked where you want to accept my son. I have to know the truth. Maybe we're almost. They come back here for.
So sorry for what happened. Never see something like it. Never see myself from a band. Woman, I find my mother. I know I'm my mother. Never see myself in a giant shop yet.
They like you, this they like.
I don't really kill this girl, but you know, as a female, now. When you say others female and them get crap, I wonder, oh, what is this? You understand what I try to tell the moment? Me and Marika left a long time because Marika, she betrayed me. A lot of money spent on Marika. You
So
understand?
this is one where me see coming on one little piece of sitting.
Mommy.
You know, I spend more on her.
Mommy, as she me love Pinky, as she me love him hard. Only thing right now I'm gonna beg a moment do. Just one, it go good between you and she and me too.
It never going to go between me and that is struggle there. Cause you see the art where you talk about belongs to her, she going to take it up and crush it.
Mommy, she my love of my life. She treat me good more than how Marka treat me. You know what they are sick in her, mommy? As she, you know, boil water and give me tea, you know, she wash my foot. Marka never do that yet.
That not look like she can even boil water. They too lie.
Mommy, a country people go look for her, you know. We a country, you know, country people look, country people plant yam and that she, you know, cook, mommy. She come from a hard place.
I look so.
Mommy, I mean, I
Like
try.
a prostitute?
Mommy, I try bring her to life. You know, when somebody born and one person that really know life go. She should just have big clothes and big shoes and big that, mommy. I mean, I try to show her look life.
Oh, so you make sure just like a prostitute.
I'm a prostitute.
But you just say she don't wear big clothes and big. So
No,
why
no.
she in a them there?
Mommy.
Number one, she come look for your mother. If it was a decent girl, she'd have come and suck the decent.
Mommy, you remember when you was
Mm-hmm.
a teenager?
Mm-hmm.
You remember the clothes and what you used to wear?
Mhm.
Right? Remember, she in her 20s, she don't reach 30 yet. So you have to understand, when she reach that 30, she gonna mature and understand certain things not really good again. Remember, say, we're still young, mommy.
Yes,
Just
but
have a
I've
chance now.
never went to my mother-in-law house looking like that. No day. Because the first thing I should have said, your father bring a prostitute.
Mommy, I have to just calm down and just understand, say, young people life, man. Remember saying a generation of vipers.
You like the
Generation.
vipers,
I don't remember from Cain Abel, a generation of vipers. You understand? So the second generation will come with a problem. What about the third generation? My generation, I'll come next.
Consider, I mean, the way they are going to do, like, so,
Mommy don't really understand. Mommy love you, mommy don't want a girl that disrespect you, mommy. Love to me heart, mommy.
you just disrespect me in front of her because you will tell me, say, I never present in your life until you are two.
But you can't see me coming nice princess at the end there, like that, like. You need to sit down and look where I do.
Because she get actress, the
And
girl
I
that she
tell her
don't
to
wear.
tell her bill, I tell her she feel bill, and she in an argument used to that, because her she used to. But see, that don't make no sense.
And then you think a good woman that. You bring a woman and you have to meet your mother and she not ask me with your mother. You think a good woman that? You think a good woman that?
Mommy, you tell her the truth. Probably she think some room, because me and her they have one husband. You know they'll be little vibes and tell her should be. I don't know where Marka come from. Marka
She
come
came
like
to me.
Marka book him too.
When?
Me be a good man to Marka. Marka go find a dirty man and say, dirty man, he can't do what she want him to do. You understand? And me was the cold spoon to Marka. You know more things with Marka, she can own a family then. Just and run come back on it. Fall.
Here now.
You know, I really understand no mommy. You know?
My sweet Marcus a good girl to you. I've never seen.
Mommy she ever thought that and pretend like she good. She is not good.
So, by the way, tell me say baby mother. Is that the baby mother?
Yes.
Jesus.
She's 2 months pregnant. For me.
How behave so?
Mommy have to understand man.
And I behave like that. Face the girl is just make one up.
Mommy she's not that Jezebel. Mommy you can't do that mommy.
Look here, I'm not gonna tell you.
Listen what I'm saying now. Listen what I'm saying. You say if you're Jezebel, it's my Jezebel. I don't feel nobody Jezebel. I say if you're Jezebel, we're going to change her to be a good woman. I love her to my heart, you know. And every money I have in my bank, I fear her. I put her up on the list. Too. Yes, I'm drop out half I will fear her.
It's hard, but alright, not half. Alright, give her everything.
Mommy, I cannot do it.
I'm not gonna tell something I like your woman, but I will try, okay?
Mommy, no want to try. I want to do better than that. That's really bad.
Mom, what kind of better I can do?
Mommy, share some food.
That's all you do, what like your baby. Every time you come here, you want food. I have woman. Good woman, you say you have to, you know. You can't because she never know for my water.
The vibes just stop, mommy. She not gonna want to do no mommy. And America, I don't know. You can't, not change my number. Not change my phone. Mommy, not put what happened on my phone. Just can't come right now. I'm going hot. I'm not like with something, man. I'm a boxer up and I live while I was you know. But you know what boxer because I'm like man money. I don't think about
No, you're not for the man yet. Don't look there.
Cook nice woman all the time. Nice good.
Hi, baby.
We talk about this already. See? We talk about this. Somebody with that something. Where you coming from? Where you coming from? Where you have to come, sir?
Be listen. What do you mean by we talk about this already?
I know what kind of person you be. So stop acting like me know
Me
what kind of
know say
person.
me and you so there and we not there again, but you not have to there go on so. What the problem?
That type problem.
What the problem?
That type problem.
And that's a problem.
Where you call me
So
a big...
true, me come and say, hey baby.
Yeah, where you baby me for? I mean things alone you want, you just want things. I'm telling that already, so I'm upon certain vibes with you. Just easy man.
And your things alone more on.
Yes! You figure
And your things alone more on.
you figure so me tell you so me not give you certain thing, you just cut.
So why you here nah me? You never know say your things alone more on.
And I say,
Eh?
never nah.
Oh, you're sick, so you're sick no more me. You're sick no more me. Fear tell me say your things alone when you want. So you come like to forget who the girl you are with. You see it? And that's the reason why me have to left you and go find the next man. And the argument done.
So where you
Can't
coming
come
for?
back.
So where you coming for then?
Eh?
Where you coming for beg me more
So
things?
you
Where you
look
coming
at
more things? I beg me more
listen
things.
now, listen
That
now.
makes sense?
Me I try to make this thing work back. But you're going like say you
Work back,
say you're
nothing
man enough. You're man.
Nothing can work
You're
back.
man.
It
You're going
can't-
like you're man. You're man. Eh? You're a play like you're man. But
My
I know
best
say you're soft.
man
Best
you
way.
would have ever have in your
Best
life.
way. The best of
Remember that.
luck. The best of luck. I lie to tell.
Like who I
I
tell?
lie you
Who I
to
tell
tell.
lie? Yo, me
Best
tell
of
this.
luck.
Leave my phone alone. Stop calling me. Stop stressing me out. You understand me? I say,
So what stress out?
are you?
Me I stress out.
What you mean you're stressed?
Spell stress. Either spell stress. Spell stress, car. You don't know what it mean of stress. So spell stress.
I'm gonna can't spell your
Spell
stress
stress. You don't know what it mean of stress. So spell stress.
now. That now have nothing to do with
What
it.
is stress?
Stress.
How me I stress you out?
Stress is problem. You're a problem. You're corruption. You're a devil.
Me a problem, me a corruption, me a
Yeah,
devil.
you're
Me a
Satan.
Lucifer.
You're all them something
Me a
there.
Satan.
Yeah, that me I say. I mean,
Oi!
not
Me are the angel who you could have ever asked in your life.
Stop worrying on.
Oh,
Stop
and that's
worrying
if you
on.
know. And me walk it down over, you can't nothing. Yes, me walk it down. You come like a renewal. You come like an engine. You come like proof of ownership. And that you come like proof of ownership. You have to give you the proof.
I'm okay, you can read that one.
Yeah, it's not a valid. Yeah, it's not a valid.
Everything.
Show me a official idea.
Stop touch me, no, man.
Show me a official idea.
Stop touch me.
Yeah, it's nothing. Sagicor. Oh, you want to tell something now? Don't play with me because you know it's the best thing ever happen in your life.
Stop. Just stop what we do. All right.
You know why? So don't like me a rejection.
You don't want me, so where you there?
Nonsense.
So where you there? You don't want me. Where you there?
Rubbish.
Stop calling the phone. You're not getting no money from me no more, and that's final. Just
Who want money
accept
from
that.
you?
You want money from me. You.
You know why me I call you?
Why?
You know why me I call you? The
call?
reason why me call you?
Answer the question.
The reason why me call you is more me a squash this thing.
Squash.
When you see me on road, stop and scrub a dirty tough face, Rasta boy.
Me scrub my face.
Me chim up
Me
there
scrub
like
my
that,
face.
you know me. Me chim up there
I
like
just
that.
scrub my face.
Yeah?
I smell something
You can't smell me junk. Come in by last time I meet you to go beard. Why?
Me for go
Come
beard.
nah.
Me for go beard.
I meet you go shoot the head
Me
where
for go
sun
beard.
shine and grass are going to ramp with me.
Alright, tell me how you
Oh.
tell me. You done? You
You
done?
can ramp with me.
You done?
You can ramp with
You
me.
done?
Me say you can ramp
say
with
you
me.
done?
You can ramp with
You
me.
finished?
Yeah, me finish.
So go on now,
Come
tell
me
me.
not done. Me is not a done out, girl. Me finish.
Well, that's annoying me. I feel more. Listen to my brain.
Eh?
The whole thing is going yesterday.
Eh?
Yo, just leave out of my sight. Simple,
Right on my
please.
belly around and it just the image of my belly around.
You know why it
Take
around?
this.
Eh? You know why it around?
Take this.
Eh?
You can't touch the belly.
Because I be. You know what I'm saying?
I be a what?
Everything,
I be a what?
everything.
I be a what? Remember the last time when down there so they had jail and me that before they got doctor.
What dream?
And a
What
good
dream?
people never take it because they had jail.
What dream?
It's a good thing, say.
Don't point yourself at me.
Me say it's a good
What
thing.
dream?
My way you doing and don't touch on me hand. It's a good thing, say. Me never touch you, never touch me before me get this a cure. Remember?
What cure?
Remember good.
What cure?
Remember good.
What
Don't
cure?
this never cure. Remember
Are
say
you
they had
give me
jail.
everything what go on and stuff?
I'm here.
Yes.
No, talk to
Are you make me know what problems look like?
Talk to
Are
you.
you-
I'm making more
Are
problems
you
look like.
introduce me to the fact me as hear about it but me never know about it? Me a piss and me can't piss. I beat me come like a splinter.
That's
I'm just say honest.
Hey, I say I
I'm
want
call you act like you don't know what one.
Hey, I say
I want
what
me check your bag and
How
be a
are this?
pill me see the bag.
I be a pill in my
What
bag.
you mean? Fit
You're
problems.
fully done. You're fully done.
Me fully done.
You know what Advil mean? You know what Cetamal mean? Eh? You know what Cetamal mean?
Me-
You know what Advil
Me
mean?
take the
And
pill
somebody knows you
and
done
carry
to
go
that.
give me little niece Marika and she really tell me say
Because
this is
your
for
niece-
crab louse.
Because your niece done second you. Well, no, me not cranium.
Go on, we are go.
No, me not
Go on, we are
no
go.
cranium.
Go on,
My
we
way
are
you
go. Go on, we are go. Go on, we
do.
are go.
My way you do.
Go on, we are go.
My way you do, no. My way you do. Come here. Hey, you think this is not my girl is you with? Eh? You keep the thing you have to turn upon me.
I fight
Turn upon
the
me.
fight.
Turn upon me. Turn upon me.
Me make a vow to
Mr.
God.
New
So me
man
now
done
put
fine.
eh?
My God strike you.
Say it's
And
new
you still
man.
have to return your own son. My way you do. I look at nonsense and rubbish. Eh? New man better you by far. So long me alone, because you thought when me a call you for you forgot to miss call when you text somebody and send me. Eh?
Why?
Rubbish.
Why?
You know, sister,
Why
from
me
here,
call? Why
like.
me call?
Listen.
Why me call? Why me
You
call?
know, see from here,
Why me
like.
call you?
You know, see from
Because
here,
I'm
like.
call my name for you. I'm telling them to take my name off of you. Because you're a rubbish truck. And you try to dump your dirty stinking garbage for me. That is the problem. So I call her to make them know say me and you is no longer. We null and void.
Hold on,
Yes,
hold
me
on.
I say, get that in your teeth.
Why you do it, Jankro?
You're full of style, that's all.
Why you step on me toe? Why you step on me toe? Because for you step on me toe, my left foot not stop jump. I know the right I jump, know the left foot I jump. You are destructional crosses. How will you be? How will you be? For the bottom of my toe. Jankro, how will you be? Go ahead. I no call me phone. Don't call me phone. You sit next to me, call me phone. Remember me curse if you go mash you up. Oh.
Thank you, Jah. Destruction walk out.
Crosses. Me say.
If you ever feel for me.
Phone. No call back my phone. Jankro.
Oh,
Look at dirty rest of you know how me long, you know. Come from the more me lay down. I show a love and show a God. You locked out that keep me kill me to backside.
Cut and clear.
Jankro.
Cut and clear. Cut and clear. Oh, go on, just in time. Yeah, man, there's one little. Little tidy up with a flush or whatever. Yeah, man. What? Police know what? What do you mean police know about? How so police know about that? But me, no, this thing, no, you sure, bro, no? Alright, cool. If I say go, no, bro, I'm a trust you, bro. Just relax, the man. So yeah, so this I can't work now, so next time. Alright, no problem, no problem. Yeah, man, we know exactly how to do. Alright.
What you mean that?
I really, this a little buggy, he bring with a bad man for that.
Father, I'm telling you, this is all what I need. I don't need nothing more. This little transport of everything. Right, this good big and fair transport you have to pay back right now.
Freeze! No one do!
That's not my way.
What?
No, I'm not running. No, yes. See. Yes, man, and it's up in here. Yeah, freeze. I freeze. I'm not moving.
Don't move!
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah. You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You call yourself a boss, can you start see the figures? But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you bullet run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can't be life. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, yeah. No, yeah. No. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not, no. Yeah. No.